Good evening from Seminyak. This is the street what I totally don't remember the name because it's so difficult, but there is the courtyard by Marriott and few other interesting hotels and restaurants. Also some entertainment bars like a gay bars and Frankenstein and all of the stuff, and there is the beach access also. So if you know some of those establishments, you know where I am, but the name of the street is too difficult. I'm gonna show you around anyways. And also there are some traffic on general. There are quite a lot of people, maybe because of the hotels here, nice restaurants, stuff like this one. It's around 5 p.m. when I'm filming here right now, but closer to the main street, to the Legion Street, actually it's more busier. And basically I'm not filming here too often for many reasons actually. So I decided today I'm gonna show you like one long shot since the beginning, since where is the Marriott Hotel courtyard up to the junction where is Legion Street. I will show you what's going on, and here we go. Something very interesting is going on at the front of us. There is police escort actually. Here we go, very interesting. Let's see how they're gonna fit now. You not always see this on the on my YouTube, but it's happening like this one. Here we go. They escorting. Here we go. That's the police. And they are buses. This one is from Java, and this ones are two locals. So very important people probably. What I gonna tell you, if you know, you know. And I keep it rest for your thoughts. What I gonna tell you. You know how is it? Overall, that's the situation. Anyways, last time I was filming here. Well, during the pandemic, I make a video about the gay area in Bali because this is considered as the gay area, gay community. The biggest gay community in Bali is on this street. They have their own bars, so they're hanging out around, but also interesting massage parlors here as well, money exchange. And there are also some sports bar. This is very like entertainment street. But for some reason I'm not filming too often. Maybe because during pandemic all of those things here were totally closed, including this restaurant in the corner. Everything was closed here, only Lucky 7 was open, which is over there, going there. So today it's a little bit different, and last time I think when I was here it was during the Nyapi Day, so Silence Day also, not the best time to film it, but I was filming it. Sometimes the traffic situation here is very busy because of the motorbikes and cars parking, and sometimes it's very difficult to, you know, to pass each other. But after that you can still find so many shops with the souvenirs and the fake items and stuff like this one over here. This is like Seminyak Legion vibe, and this is like a 7 full bar of happy Aussie people enjoying the sports. So happy days. And the another buildings are for rent actually, empty, maybe not for rent but empty. Overall spa, loud music, tattoo, barber shop, regular stuff like this one. Let's go to the more further. This is it. Actually when I was coming here I stuck in the very big traffic jam, but now seems like it's a little bit better situation. You can rent a bike, of course, and book your tour somewhere. Somewhere there is, I think, I don't know, I don't remember. There are some hotels in general, but the vibe here is like, you know, it's like hard to describe. Somehow it's okay, somehow something is missing here. Also, yeah. This is the area of the two drag bars, which are actually considered as the gay bars, but they are open at night, obviously, not during the daytime, but this is it. One of them changed name, actually, no, Bali Joe and Maxwell. So if you're interested into stuff like this, and they also have a drag cabaret, so it's cool experience. But of course closed at that time. I stuck in the very big traffic jam when I was coming here. I should film it when I stuck, because now it's suddenly very quiet, and this is what I'm talking about, the vibes here. Yeah, like everything is good, but somehow something feels a little bit missing. Nice Greek restaurant, by the way. On the other side you have pastals with the bintang hut. All of this, some construction, people renting something. You can pick up a Grab, Gojek driver. Here's Obsession Bar. This is something new, I don't remember last time. Maybe it was. All of those things actually are open at night. So this is actually street where I should film at night. But maybe on the next occasion. Today I'm gonna show you during the daytime. And let's make a deal. If this video gonna hit 10,000 views, next week I'm gonna come at night and show you. And if this video gonna hit 100,000 views, I'm gonna go to the drag queen cabaret inside the gay bar and I'm gonna film it there, alright? So let's go for it. And that's it. Yeah, some nice bars here. This bar was open, but this one to compare to the previous one, totally empty. So this is like very specific environment here, very specific market. Yeah, and this is it. Oops, I nearly fall down. You have to be careful how you step because some tires are missing. I'm focusing on filming, not really where I'm stepping. Loud bikes, just wanted to say. Some people here enjoying the ice cream, the Galaxy Sports Bar. Yeah, actually, closer you're getting to the main street is busier. This is pretty characteristic. And overall, so many stalls selling the goods. I'm gonna get into the end of the street, and then will be like nearly the 8 minutes of the video, right? So like a comprehensive review. They're working hard here. They're building something new. They are just recovering from the totally empty. So this street was very bad during the pandemic. It's totally empty. Fox Rabbit, nice name. But still pretty quiet actually. Except that, as I was impressed because of those traffic jam, actually the businesses are very quiet during the daytime. But like I said, if we're gonna reach the numbers, I'm gonna come here next week and film the nighttime. Why not? Construction. They cutting the metal with the sandals on. Cannot watch it though, because this is live. But this is how they are doing. They feel comfortable. Tachium, Aquatica, something like that. A little bit of the traffic situation. So now you have a feeling as it's busy, but it's not. It's just the traffic because there is the junction. So that's the biggest difference actually. Another barber shop, body piercing, Tacho, and Frankenstein is here actually. I nearly skipped it, but no girls at this. Everyone is at night, I guess. And this is it. This is the small establishments and all the actually illumination of the traffic of this busy is at the corner of the Legion Street because of the small streets, so the traffic congestion. But actually, if you eliminate the cars and bikes and leave the only tourists here who are not moving around, it will be extremely deserted, like during the pandemic. With the differences is everything open, if that makes sense. Anyways, this is a very busy main street. This is actually the biggest hardcore here. Even the guys filming here because this is like worth to stop for a minute and show. Look at this lovely family on the motorbike. Look at them. This little baby actually just sandwiched between mother and grandma. Oh my god, what's going on? But this is actually what people think is busy. It's not busy, it's just the traffic is busy. Like, this is ridiculous what's going on here actually. Everybody going somewhere. This is where I used to watch Ogo parade on this junction. This is the Puradesa Seminyak. The Banjar Seminyak started Cape. This is ridiculous. So basically everybody trying to go somewhere. Yeah. Let me know which part of the video is more interested. The end, this one, the traffic, the junction, or the beginning where I started, where everything is so cozy and calm, even quiet. Which one you prefer, this one or previous one? And this is it. And this is how everybody trying to go somewhere. Here we go, I'm coming back and the Frankenstein is packed. I mean the whole group of people coming to get inside. But overall, very interesting place in Bali. I think I should visit this street more often, more frequent, on various times of the day. Maybe not in the morning, because in the morning I believe there is nothing here. But let me know if you're interested what I told you today. Also, if the numbers gonna be right. Like I said, I gonna come back next week at night if the numbers are right. That's the motivation for you to watch it and share it and stuff. Overall, this is it. This is what's going on. It's actually not that bad. Pretty enjoyable. A lot of interesting establishments. Not so busy. But at night, I'm very curious. Anyways, that's it for me for today. See you tomorrow on this one.